Now, the current going here is going to be equal to, since I don't know this, so IXL is going to be equal to I total minus IR, right? Because it's a parallel circuit, the current is. So the total current, I total, is going to be equal to IR plus IXL, right?
Yep.
So if I determine the current, basically I know the voltage already is 12 volts. So XL is going to be equal to VXL over IXL. Then basically if I know XL, I can just say it's 2 pi F times L, and then divide by 2 pi F. And then L is going to be equal to XL divided by 2 pi F. So if it's in parallel also, it shouldn't deter you. Just know how to measure current. Basically, once you measure current, you can determine the value. So current measurement is also easy because you can just use a clamp, right? Clamp. Basically, it's AC power. You can measure the current, right? So the voltage is in parallel. So you have a tool, so you basically you can play this game so that you can